My name is Guillaume. I joined ARIADNEXT in 2018 as a research scientist. My domains of interest are computer vision, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Basically, push the envelope. We have a product and we try to innovate to make it better. It implies to first identify the problems and their parameters, second to prototype some solution with state-of-the-art algorithm, and finally to check and validate our solution so we ensure it answers the initial problem. In the team, we used to prototype in Python on one side, and then for the final implementation we prefer to work with C++. And we also use any deep learning framework we are used to, so for my part is PyTorch. And we also use OpenCV as a strong baseline for all our computer vision algorithms. Maybe not so technical, but pretending to be natural during this interview is quite a challenge, yes. During my first year at ARIADNEXT, I used to work on liveness detection or presentation attack detection, and it was quite a challenge because we are trying to solve a problem that is not clearly defined, and there is always people to make more sophisticated attacks, and we have to counter those attacks. And it's like we are running behind those people who are crafting new innovating attacks. So it's quite difficult. There is no typical day, but there are good days and bad days. Good day is when you wake up, you go to work and you check the results from the night, because we are running some deep learning algorithm all the night, and when the results are good, it's a good day. And when the results are bad, it's a bad day. So we start by coffee and we try again. Seriously, there is no typical day. Like earlier this week, I finished the writing for a conference paper, and this morning I was doing brainstorming, and tomorrow morning I will work on the final implementation, and so on and so on. Patience, challenge, and perseverance, like the robot on Mars. A friend from my former lab, who used to collaborate with ARIADNEXT on academic project, invited me to have a look at this company. So I did a spontaneous application, and then a few weeks later I joined. In the research team, we are basically working on two applications, biometry and document analysis. It's quite a competitive domain, so I cannot get into details, but I can say we are working with state-of-the-art deep learning approaches to extract the best of static images and video sequences. Innovation? ARIADNEXT do have a real research policy, and it's not offered to any company.